Out of Wantage, New Jersey, the Kaiser Aluminum Wheels 4-star machine. It's Michael Storms, and on the outside, 4th starting spot out of Cropseyville, New York, the BBL Company's car number 3, it's Matty G. Matt DiLorenzo. On the inside of row number 3, 5th starting position in the ComeRaceWithUs.com. Car number 1X out of Vernon, it's Willie Decker to his outside 6th starting position. Out of Unadilla and the Gypsum Wholesalers, car number 91 winner here. Last night he does have a guaranteed starting position. This is Billy Decker. Next row on the inside, 7th starting spot. Making a rare Jerome Speedway start. Driving the 117 machine. Their construction ride, that is our outside 8th starting position. Twister driving on the field out of Elsa. On the wheel, turn Morgan. So there's your starting lineup. 10 laps is the distance. Top 3 to qualify, 2 go to the redraw. So here we go, Utica Rome, qualifying event number 1. Here for the New Yorker, Paul Jensen, Sean Donovan, looking for Matt Burdick's green flag. This time off with turn number 4. Don't see it, we will go racing. Down the home stretch, they will come to green flag. Qualifying spot as he shoots to the inside of Matt DiLorenzo. Billy Decker looking to do the same. 3 wide, they stay off the turn for that number 4 spot here as they come down the line. Right now, Billy Decker down the road. Right out, Sean Donovan attempts to do the same down on the inside. Your leader, Paul Jensen, swings it off the west end of the speedway. Michael Storm still there with the number 2 spot.